Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Time Farm Update. The countdown to a major announcement. The crypto world is on edge, buzzing with excitement over the potential listing of Time Farm, $2, on a major exchange. This game-changing project, which rewards users for the time they spend in its ecosystem, has been making waves in the blockchain space. With its rising popularity, the burning question on everyone's mind is, will Time Farm be listed in March 2025? Since launching in June 2024, Time Farm has experienced explosive growth. As of October 2024, the project boasts a staggering 28 million total users, with 15 million active daily users and 6.6 million users interacting with the Telegram bot every month. This incredible surge has everyone speculating about what's next for the token, especially in terms of a listing on a major exchange. Community buzz and social media hints. Time Farm has been keeping its community on their toes, dropping subtle hints on its official X account about exciting developments. Posts teasing new partnerships, upcoming ecosystem expansions, and future updates are fueling excitement and sparking rumors of a huge announcement on the horizon. Their Telegram channel is also buzzing, serving as a real-time hub where users can connect and stay informed. The growing engagement across these platforms suggests something significant is brewing, and the community can hardly wait. Why an exchange listing would change everything. If Time Farm lands a listing on a centralized exchange, CX, it could be a game changer. Not only would it make $2 easier to buy and trade, but it would also boost liquidity and trading volume. History shows that when crypto projects get listed, their prices often soar, and market interest spikes. Time Farm's dedicated community is hopeful that a listing could send its token to new heights. But it's not just about price. A listing on a major exchange signals legitimacy. These exchanges conduct rigorous evaluations before listing any token, meaning Time Farm would be recognized as a trustworthy, credible project. This could attract new investors, enhance user confidence, and bring even more people into the ecosystem. Time Farm's bold 2025 roadmap. The future looks bright for Time Farm. The project has an ambitious roadmap for 2025 that could solidify its position in the market even further. Early 2025, a brand new farming mechanism and the highly anticipated token generation event, TGE. Mid-2025, the launch of a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, and an innovative social network analysis tool to improve user experience. Late 2025, a token burning system designed to reduce inactive tokens, rewarding active and engaged users. What's coming next? While there's no official confirmation yet about the listing, everything points to Time Farm being on the brink of something big. With a passionate community, an ever-growing user base, and a bold 2025 roadmap, it's clear that Time Farm is gearing up for a major breakthrough.